We now want to learn how to use Python, which is a programming language, to do some visualizations. But before we can use Python to do some visualizations, we have to learn just a little bit of Python. We are not going to learn too many details of Python because we don't have much time. So we will learn just enough so that we can do visualizations. So the first thing is that we want to download a Python development environment. I like to use a development environment for Python called Spyder. So we will first download and install Spyder. So the website is spider-ide.org. IDE stands for Interactive Development Environment. So there's a website devoted to Spyder. If we click on download, there's download for Windows. Now there's also a download for Macintosh. For that, you will click on installation instructions, and here you will see a Windows installer as well as a Mac OS installer. So I'm going to do Windows installer because that's the machine I use. If you are a Mac user, you will do this. So I'm going to download Spyder and then I'm going to install it. I'll just fast forward the installation part and then I'll just show you the installed version. Okay, download complete. I'm going to run it. Okay, it's almost done. We can launch Spyder. It's called Spyder Anaconda app. So this is how the Spyder interactive development environment looks like. In the next video, we'll start learning some Python, just enough to do some visualizations. So that's the end of this tutorial.